Hey, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Royalty Affiliate, and I want to come on make a short video today and go over some exciting news on the affiliate side of Royalty. Our December bonus program, what we got going on. As you can see here, they posted on the 1st that for the entire month of December, every 5 new customers, affiliates that you bring in during this period, you earn a $250 bonus, which is excellent because it usually requires 10 sales to hit that $250 bonus. They slice it down to 5 to reach this $250 bonus. So for 10 customers, you technically can receive a $500 bonus for the month. That's big news. It's powerful. Putting money in our pocket, starting out the new year, which I'm very excited. Members of my team are very excited about it and hitting the ground running. So I suggested you sign up if you're looking to make some money, start your 2019 year off in a better situation financially than your 2018 year went. Sign up to Royalty, become an affiliate. It can be very lucrative for you. The guy that introduced me, man, he's making over $11,000 a month. We have a great support program, great training program, so you can get in, hit the ground running, and start putting money in your pocket. You can start making money with Royalty for as little as $100 in volume. That could get you $20 a month residually. It's small, but it is something. That many companies that you could get in that you could start earning money, especially a company of this size, that you could get in and start making money as an affiliate for as little as $100. So that's very exciting. But like I said, get in, bring 5 people with you, you get $250 right off the bat. You can't beat that, and that adds on to, depending on the volume of sales that you could reach for the month, your normal commissions for the month. So again, it's an exciting time of Royalty, exciting new updates that we have going on, exciting new business plan. We are now putting ads and news feeds of major apps that are already on customers' phones, so they can guaranteed see your message now. We're even reaching iPhones, which is a big deal for a lot of prospects, a lot of people that were sitting on the fence, the ability to reach the iPhone. We now are reaching the iPhone, no problem whatsoever. You get in Royalty, you can get in for under $100, $98 down, $29 a month. And like I said, bring in 5 customers, $250. Bring in 10 customers, that's $500 additional in your pocket. If you're interested, I'll put my links in the description of this video. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, so you get all the updates Royalty related. Any questions, give me a call, 410-929-3390. Have a great day. And also, connect with my Facebook page. I have a Facebook page that also for Royalty and other ways that you can make money online. I'll put that link in the description of the video also. Thank you for your time today. Have a good day.